Hi, second grade. Well, boys and girls, we're going to do lesson two, we're going to do lesson 10 already. We're on lesson 10. Can you believe that? You guys are doing great. And on lesson 10, it can be really easy to do subtraction if we know our addition. So addition facts and subtraction facts kind of go together and they're called fact families. So if we know one set, we can do the other. And I'm going to show you with your part whole chart and your counters. So have your lesson 10 page open with a pencil, but also make sure that you have your counters, the yellow and red chips, and you have your part whole mat. So I'm going to show that first. Push pause and get your things ready, and I'm going to show the part whole first. Ready, second graders? Let's put 4 chips for one part. We'll put them red. And we'll put 3 yellow on the other part. And so that would be one part 4 plus the other part 3. 4 plus 3. And if we move them down, the whole thing would equal 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. Well, if we had 7 and we only saw this part 4, well, that would be a subtraction problem. So 7 take away 4, and what's the other part? 3. See how that works? Let's do that by writing the addition and subtraction. We started with 4 plus 3, and we said that altogether that's 7. But when we move the 7 down here and start with 7, if we take away 4 of them, we still have 3 here. So 7 take away 4 equal 3. Now we can flip these numbers also and make 2 more. So if we started with the yellow first, 3, and we added the 4 this way, we still would have 7. And then if we move all 7 to the bottom and start with 7, and this time we'll just move up the yellow. All right, I'll show you what that looks like. There's all 7, and we take away 3 of them. Well, how many are left? 4. So 7, take away 3, subtract, equal 4. Does that make sense? I hope it does. So if we know our addition, we already know our subtraction as well. Let's turn you can do that on your mat, and you can do that with lots of numbers when we finish this video. But let's go ahead and move to our next page, and we'll practice a few. It says you can use addition facts to subtract. They're called the related facts, and they have the same 3 numbers. Now they have a cubes train here, but we can use our counters, and you could have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red and 4 yellow, and 5 plus 4 is 9. Well, what if we break that apart? We start with the 9 and we break away the yellow 4. 9 take away 4. How many are left? 5. And notice the same numbers. 5 plus 4, 5, 4, 9, and here 9, 4, 5. And that's what they mean, the related facts, same numbers. Here's the same three numbers, but it's a different number sentence. This time you start with 9, and we take away the 5 green. 9 take away 5 is, there's the other number. So a 5 and a 4 and a 9, if you know your addition, then there's two subtraction facts that go with that. Let's try another one. Number 1. Again, you can use your counters, or we can just look right here. 6 plus 7. I know my doubles 6 and 6. 6 and 6. 6 plus 6 is 12, and one more, 13. What if we started with all 13 and we took away 6? So we're going to subtract this red group here, 6 of them. And how many are left? 7. What if we took away the 7 first? So this is 13 take away 7. 13 take away the 7. 13 minus 7, what's left? So take away, oops. Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 on the yellow. We take away, if you wanted to cross one at a time, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And what's left? 6. Let's look at number 2. Do we know 5 plus 7? Well, add it up. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We know the addition, so then we can do 2 subtraction with that. First, we'll subtract the 7 purple, 12 minus 7, then it must be the 5 yellow. And if we start with all 12 and we take away 5, we take away the yellow 5, then we'll have the purple 7. 12 minus 5, take away 5, 7. Let's do 3 and 4. Number 3. This time we have another close to doubles plus 1. 5 plus 5 is 10, and one more, 11. Now we're doing it without our cubes. If you want to use your chips, you can. But I also can remember 5 plus 6 is 11, so 11 take away 6. Kind of like you're going backwards. 11 take away 6, well, the other number is 5. But if we first start with 11 and take away the 5, then 11 minus 5, 11. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. But if I know this, I can get the answers fast. Related facts. Know your addition, then you know your subtraction. Let's do number 4. 7 plus 4, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11. We're going to start with the 11. We could take away the 7 first or the 4. Either way, 11 take away 4, it will be the 7. And 11 take away the 7, it will be the 4. Those are related facts. Know your addition, and you probably already know your subtraction, even if you didn't know it. See how smart you are, second graders? You guys keep practicing. You're doing great.